Now we've already seen how useful master pages can be when we're adding elements such as page numbering, and they're also useful when we want to add multiple objects or images or text that are going to appear in multiple places throughout our document. So what I want to do for this movie is create multiple master out of the blank template that we've been working on throughout this chapter. So to do that, I'm going to grab this bar up on the top here and just slowly slide that down so we have more space here to work with. And what I want to do is come up to the flyout menu and choose new master. Now, when I do that, it'll let me specify a prefix. I already have an A master, so here's a B master, name none. And I can apply it based on a current master page that exists, so I can keep some elements if I have those elements on there. But for this, I'm just going to select OK, and then I want to add some elements to my work area here. So I'm going to grab the CBRE logo, and I'm going to hold down the Control key and grab the crop C as well. I'm going to click Open. And I'm going to place my crop C somewhere up here at the top and the CBRE logo down here at the bottom. And we'll just resize this accordingly. Fit the content to the frame there. And I'll do the same for our crop C, just placing it up at the top. So now that I've applied these to a master page, I can apply them to any other page throughout our document. And if I want to do that in simple terms, I can just simply scroll down here, find the page that I want to apply it to. So maybe I'll apply it to page 65 of our second section, and click, drag, and drop. And when I do that, we'll notice that page 65 in our document went from the letter A to the letter B, and if I double click it, then it puts that information on that page for us. But one of the things you might have noticed is when we did that page 64 is blank. Why is that? Because we have chosen not to put any of these elements on that side of the page. But what if we wanted to? So if I copy this over by hitting down the Control key and just dragging it, now if I come in and drag this down, we can see that we can apply, if I come down to page 64 and 65, represents basically what my B master looks like. Now, what if I want to apply this B master to multiple pages at once? Well, I'd come into my document here and select the pages that I want to add this to. So let's say I want to add it to 51 and 50 and maybe 57 and maybe 62, just for the heck of it. Then I want to come in here and I want to hold down the Alt key and click on B Master. So when I do that, you'll notice that all of the pages that I had selected have now changed to my B Master. So there's the left-hand side B Master, here's the right-hand side B Master, and I think for 50 and 51 we applied that to that as well. So remember, we can apply that to multiple pages by selecting the pages that we want to apply them to, holding down the Alt key on our keyboard, and simply clicking on B Master. That's a neat little trick for adding master pages to multiple pages in your document. But one of the things that you might notice is if I want to come in here and edit any of these elements or remove those elements from my page, I can't do that because as a safeguard and to make sure that you don't unintentionally make any edits to your master pages, InDesign locks these. So what I want to do in the next movie is show you how we can override that fact or those safeguards to allow us to make an edit to a page that is tied to a master page.